With EOS systems, you can produce parts fast, flexibly, and cost-effectively, generated directly from CAD data. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, machine park monitoring is an increasingly important component of quality assurance, which is why we have developed EOSTATE Everywhere, an app that provides you with continuous information on your systems every time and everywhere. It notifies you immediately of an event so that you can take appropriate action. EOSTATE Everywhere gives you an in-depth view of the ongoing system building process, along with an overview of all the production-related data. Sensor data is presented graphically, including such information as recoating time, platform height, process chamber temperature, and more. And combined with the EOSTATE powder bed module, you can also have access to the live camera, which is integrated in the system. The intuitive interface and notification settings can be customized to suit your personal requirements to ensure that you have all the information you need exactly when you need it. Machine park status, mobile access, push notification, and sensor charts. EOSTATE Everywhere. Real-time monitoring for your EOS systems.